Alright, the Zippo truck stopped by early today. Let's see what he brought. Alright, this one came in the plain Zippo black box, and on the back it says Halloween Zippo, no, Halloween Vampires. You can see this is a special edition by the insert, and it is a commemorative Halloween 2014 Zippo. Pretty nice one. Now this one was on a black matte case, and it was made, oh, it's a brass body. It was made in D or April of 2014. That's the Zippo 2014 Halloween commemorative. Fires up nice. Sounds really good. It's got a steel insert, but a brass Zippo is always a good one to add to my collection. Now the only other vampire Zippo that I have is this one. Vampirella. So there it is, 1 and 2 vampire Zippos for my collection. Yeah, I deserve some cowbell. Knuckle bump.